In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link GCash to Shopee in 2024. We'll take you through each step to ensure you have a seamless shopping experience using GCash for your Shopee transactions. Whether you're shopping from your desktop or mobile phone, the process remains straightforward. First, head over to the Shopee Philippines website or open the Shopee app on your mobile device. It's important to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Once you're in, your first task is to go to your cart. This is where all the magic begins, as linking your payment method happens during checkout. Click or tap on the cart icon, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the screen. Now, once you're in your cart, you'll need to select an item you'd like to check out. This process is just like any typical shopping activity. Browse through your list of saved items and choose the one you wish to purchase. With your item selected, the next step involves choosing a payment method. For this, you want to click on Payment Center or e-wallet. It's the option that allows you to select from different digital payment methods available. From the list of options, select GCash as your payment method. This step is critical because it enables Shopee to direct the payment process through your GCash account, ensuring a quick and easy transaction. Once you've selected GCash, it's time to continue with your order. You'll need to click on Place Order. This step signifies that you're ready to proceed to the payment stage. It's always good to double check your order details before moving ahead. Now that you're ready to pay, click on Pay, which will initiate the payment process. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your GCash number. Make sure you type in the correct number associated with your GCash account. This information is crucial since it directly links your GCash account to Shopee. Next, you'll have to go through the verification process. This usually involves a verification code sent to your mobile number or email to confirm your identity and ensure the security of your payment. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you've successfully completed the verification, congratulations! Your GCash is now linked to Shopee. Moving forward, you'll be able to enjoy the convenience of making payments directly through your GCash account whenever you shop on Shopee. Linking your GCash elevates your shopping experience by providing fast, secure, and hassle-free transactions. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy shopping!